Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your router's admin interface. Enter the username and password you use for management. Once logged in, navigate to Connected Devices or DHCP client list so you can see names, IPs, and MAC addresses. Make sure you're on the same network or plugged in with Ethernet to avoid missing devices. If the device name looks generic, note its MAC address. This unique identifier lets you remove the exact device without guessing. You now locate the target in the Clients or Attached Devices view. Filter or sort by IP or MAC if there are many entries. After selecting the correct device, choose the router option to block, deny, or remove it from the network. Different firmware uses different labels. If available, add the MAC to a blacklist or enable access control so it cannot reconnect. Make sure to save or apply settings, otherwise the change won't persist after a router reboot. You finish by confirming the device is gone. Check the client list and watch the device lose internet access. If it still connects, reboot the router and recheck settings. Sometimes firmware requires a restart to enforce blocks. If that fails, change the Wi-Fi password and update trusted devices, or enable MAC filtering to tighten access. Troubleshooting tip: if a banned device reconnects, make sure it's not using a static IP or duplicated credentials. Then repeat the block and reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.